And I've never been to Hull before, and the sun's shining, and it's obviously a beautiful city. So thank you. For the last 3 decades, education scholarship in British universities has increasingly been under threat from theories and practices conceived in American business schools and management consulting firms. As a result, education departments in UK universities are increasingly under the sway of the straitjackets of policy relevance and economic productiveness. Both reinforce status quo thinking, rather than providing the space for critical thinking to emerge. Educational discourses have increasingly come to be dominated by global neoliberal discourses of economics and economic efficiency, in which the educational has been disinvested of its philosophical, historical, and sociological roots. The consequence is a discourse that seeks to commodify, instrumentalise, and evaluate education reductively, using the language of economics to add value to itself. As part of this trend, first we had audit, and now we have impact. And as Catherine said, I'm on the rep panel, so I've been doing an awful lot of impact over the last year. UK academia has been captured by the impact agenda, in which the usefulness of academic research is judged against its wider social and economic usefulness. But usefulness is contingent upon relations of power. Useful research is all too often that which those with the power to make judgments believe is valuable to their interests. In fact, the more impact determines educational research, the less it will matter in the sense of making a difference. While impact is seen as necessary, natural, self-evident and unquestionable, I would argue that it's been socially and historically constructed to serve the interests of British elites. They can now control the focus and type of research conducted. The risks for educational research that